Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest for 5 generate binary string without adjacent zeros. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. I think for this one, there are two ways to do it, to be honest. I don't know, I don't know why I made it a little bit more difficult for myself, but in any case, the way that I did it is I generate them such that there's no two consecutive zeros. That's one way. That's another way of reading this problem, is that there are no two zeros in a row. And is 18 is the other key thing to note, so you can just brute force generate them one at a time. This is going to be n. Yeah. So you could do it this way. I think you can also just do everything and then filter it out later, but you know. That's the way I did it. Basically, the way that this is here is if it's the first, you can only have a zero if the last character is negative, if it's the previous character is 1, or this is the first character. And that's pretty much the idea. And then everything is just 2 to the n brute force, and at the end is an O of n factor as well. I think the other way that you can have done it is this should be fast enough, but yeah. Maybe you could do something like this if you, yeah, maybe you can even just done something like this and then continue, return, and that'll probably be fast enough. Yeah. So there are two ways to do it, and this way is a little bit slower, but you know, that's fine. And you can actually play around with, yeah, this way it's a little bit slower because you generate all of them and then filtering at the end, versus filtering them out as you get it, which is here, right? What is the complexity difference, right? So technically speaking, I mean, I said that they're both exponential, but one cool thing to learn about this problem is that there are actually Fibonacci number of numbers that does not contain number of two zeros, right? And you could kind of reason this out by doing it with dynamic programming or something like this. And the way that you can think about it is that this skips 0, 0. So then now the function becomes, you know, the sum of the last two elements, which is Fibonacci. And of course, with Fibonacci, it is going to be, instead of 2 to the n, it is going to be 1.6 to the n, or phi, roughly speaking, or phi to the n, right? So that is much faster, as you know, even though they're both exponential. But of course, there's also a constant n factor in either case. But yeah, just a little bit of a fun trivia in case, you know, that crossed your mind. But yeah, this is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. That's what I get for trying to be fast. Silly mistakes. I've been doing that a lot lately, but yeah, I don't know. N is equal to 18 on Q2. What am I doing with my life? So many Q1 mistakes. All substrings of x of length 2 contains at least one. Okay, so yeah, yeah, no, do it the other way. Length 2, so okay. Okay. Why am I so kind of tilted from that, to be honest? I'm just being way silly. Nope. V1. Okay. So then now, if if the last one is 0, then we have to have a 1, right? the other way, actually. You can't have one anyway, so something like this. Am I being too clever? I don't know anymore. I feel like that was such a silly mistake. Is this sorted in any way? In any order? Okay, fine. Let's just do 18 just for fun. Okay, 3 entries. Ooh, almost messed this up. This is why we actually look at these. But yeah, 5, 5. All right, let's go. Not my day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.